and welcome back to another Toyscoveries video. We are unboxing this Playmobil Family Fun ice cream truck today. I hope you're all excited. Let's see what this box includes. So this is the ice cream bicycle, not an ice cream truck. So it's a tricycle and it has a little ice cream station on it. And this is the ice cream man. And it has two children. Oh, this one is wearing her bathing suit. So I guess they're coming back from the beach to enjoy some ice cream. It comes with pistachio flavor ice cream. It comes with vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. A hat, an apron for the ice cream man. Oh, and a scoop over here, an ice cream scoop. And what's this? This looks like 2 ice cream sandwiches. Let's open it up and put it together. Oh, and what's this? Oh, these are stickers. Ice cream stickers. How neat. And this looks like a leaflet. This is for the Playmobil movie. I'm very excited to see it. And that's all the box includes. This is the instructions it comes with. This is how we are going to assemble the ice cream truck or tricycle. And this is a little booklet with different Playmobil sets you can buy. This must go on the ice cream station to cover the ice cream. So let's open up this bag with a pair of scissors. Get some help from a grown-up to help you with that. So these are some of the pieces it comes with. Let's take a look at them. This is a little girl wearing her bathing suit. She's very happy. This is a little boy. Oh, he has a little bandana here around his neck. Oh, it's a hood. Oh, how nice. This must be the ice cream man. Oh, this is the apron for the ice cream man. Oh, there we go. Now he's wearing his apron. These are the wheels for the tricycle we're going to build. This must be a handlebar. Sandals. I guess these go on the little girl. Oh, we found our ice cream cones. A hat. The ice cream scoop we saw on the box. A third wheel for our tricycle. Tricycle because it has 3 wheels. So the stickers probably go on here. Another ice cream cone. The ice cream man's hat, let's put it on him. There we go. He looks great. He's wearing a nice light blue shirt and some black pants or dark gray with white shoes. And his apron has an ice cream cone on it. We'll set it down over here. Oh, this is a little skirt. It must go on the little girl. We put the skirt on the little girl and we're going to set her down here. Whoops. And now that we've looked through all our pieces, we're gonna open up our other bag, which is right here. Using our scissors again. And let's see what this bag includes. This is a piece for our ice cream tricycle. And this is another piece. It's blue. And these are our ice cream flavors. We have green for pistachio ice cream. We have pink for strawberry ice cream. Brown for chocolate ice cream. It comes with 3 flavors that you can put on the ice cream cones. And here's a cream color ice cream, which we can say it's vanilla. And these are more ice creams, the sandwich that we saw, and the chocolate popsicle one that we saw. We need to put our stickers on, which we'll do in just a second. And this is a rod, which I don't know what we're gonna use for yet, but we're gonna find out. And this is another piece for the ice cream tricycle. So those were all our pieces. Now let's get to our stickers. So here we have our stickers. And we're gonna start from the larger ones. So we're gonna put these ice cream stickers on this part over here. So now that both sides are completed, this part is done. So now we have our 2 ice creams in a wrapper that we're gonna put stickers on. All done. So now we can start assembling our tricycle. We have this part, this, 3 wheels, and a rod. So we're going to take our blue part and slide our wheel on the inside. And we're gonna do that to the other side. Like that. That should be in the front. Put our handlebars in here. There we go, like that. And now, I'm gonna snap this in there. And our tricycle is ready. We're gonna start building the ice cream display now. So we need to put the base like that, and the glass on top. So you open and close it if you like. This rod goes over here. This looks like an antenna. We can put our ice creams here now. Chocolate, vanilla, pistachio, and strawberry. We can display our wrapped ice cream there. Okay, our ice cream man is ready to ride his ice cream tricycle. He's gonna park right here and he's gonna come off. The kids are coming back from the beach and they seem like they want ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream. What flavors do you like? Says the ice cream man. He's gonna take his scoop, ice cream scooper, and he's gonna serve ice cream. I would like some chocolate ice cream, please, says the boy. Sure. Here you go, chocolate ice cream for you. Thank you. What would you like? I want some strawberry ice cream. Strawberry, yes, the pink one. Some pink ice cream for the little girl, of course. Here you go, a pink ice cream for you. Thank you. What are you guys having? Hi, Mommy, we're having ice cream. I'd like some ice cream as well, says the mommy. What kind of ice cream would you like, ma'am? I'd like some pistachio ice cream. Pistachio ice cream coming right up. Here you go, ma'am. Thank you very much. Now everybody is enjoying their ice cream. That was delicious. Yes, it really was. I'm all done myself. Let's go home, kids. It seems like the ice cream man is all done serving ice cream. He's gonna pack up and go home as well. He's gonna put his ice cream scoop back and he's gonna get on his bike. That's all for today, kids. I hope you enjoyed unboxing this Playmobil ice cream tricycle. I had a lot of fun assembling it and looking at different flavors and then serving the kids some well-deserved ice cream on a hot day. I'm off to have some ice cream myself, so I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day and a great summer. Make sure before you go that you subscribe to Toyscoveries for more fun educational videos like this one. Until the next one, guys. Bye!